shoe polish store.
Can we eat shark?
Oh.
Careful.
Sit on this. Check this out.
Yeah, you have to wear out.
Wow, first one. You take the first one. You're not scared. So brave. Okay, now.
This is the Japanese cross. Now, if you look, can you all help me to point to the ferry that's coming in on the right side? Where's the ferry? Yep. The ferry comes from Batam. And it goes to this jetty point called Sotong Laut in Johor. We're going to tour.
The boat capsized. So fast! Oh my god! Bang it, bang it! Yeah, bang it, bang it. It's okay, it's here, it's here. See your hand? Can I see your hand? So crazy.
Power generators, but
Daddy,
we're
I see
going to go
your
in by using
So crazy.
solar. So this
So
is actually one of the
fast.
first things you've got. But the reservoir, which also has all this. But this being the first year, hopefully there's no interruption from. We're just wait to them. Yeah. So what happened is the police goes there just to make sure that everything is fine, that everybody's all okay here. Remain inside, and then the real prawns and fishes. So now it's about 3 meters. As you go closer, please read the news.
Crocodile? Really?
This is a nature reserve.
Oh.
These are crocodiles, the otters here as well. The monitor lizards. Read the small signboard, what does it say? Very small, I must go closer. You know why a lot of
Watch
characters
out,
come here?
crocodile.
And everybody look behind. So now we're going to turn. Tertiary as well as some of the government agencies here. So what you see here is actually outbound school campsite 2.
Where?
Campsite 1,
Oh,
which is right in
wow.
front of us. Yeah, you see the wild bomb? You see? That's campsite 2. Can you help me to point somebody please? We're going to step the boat.
Oh, the pool. Okay, I'll jump.
For me, Mihan, you get for me
Fun. Let's go. We're at Smith Marina. Where do you want to sit? Wow, who's winning? Now we're at Smith Marina. So this is a kelong here. Not sure if you guys can see. Wow. So kelong is like a floating restaurant or the floating fish rearing place in the middle of the sea. I'm trying my best to minimize this so that you guys can see a better view. Okay, right, let's do it this way. I don't want to block the view that I show you. Wow, so this is the boat that we came in. Isn't that cool? Yeah, this is the boat that we came in. So this is a chill out area. Oh, let's go. So girls gonna drive the boat, yeah?
Move in, and then we head on towards Changi, where you see. Everything so far.
It was so
Now the
fun.
people will cry.
Let's go to Lazarus Island. Island.
And then they let you swim, paddle, kayak, barbecue. They smell the barbecue, right? But watch for these people just keep you see them. You just coming like that so hard, so fast. The depth of the water now is 3.4 meters. We're going to go water from our boat. They will be here soon. Too shallow.
Wow, that is so brave. Come and look at Daddy. Can you jump by yourself? You jump by yourself?
You can put the water if you want.
Saying goodbye to Lazarus Island.